Welcome back, boys and girls. The final page of our fall math boxes, page 17. Mental math. Directions. Solve the mental math problems below. So these are always a little bit trickier because we have to think of numbers a little bit differently. And I'll explain that kind of as we go and kind of maybe just show you, I guess, a couple ways I'm thinking of it and see what you think, all right? All right, so 77 plus a number equals 79. So I'm kind of looking at the 7 and the 9 on that one, in the ones. So to get from 7 to 9, we're going to add 2. Not too bad. Okay. And again, something plus 90 equals 96. Again, we kind of have the 0 and the 6, so we're going to add 6. 6 plus 90, 96. Again, to get from 81 to 88, we're going to add what to get there? 7. Good. And, you kind of think 8 minus 1 on that. You can take 6 minus 0, and you can take 9 minus 7 to get these answers so far. Now, notice that was just one digit, though. It was just in the ones column. Now we're going to start adding two different digits, the ones and the tens in the place value. So a number plus 60 equals 75. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay? And here we go. The 5 is going to be the same on this one. So what do you add to 5 to get to 9? Or what do you add to 50 to get to 90? It's kind of the same thing, right? So we're going to add a 4. 4 plus 5 plus 4 equals 9. See how we did that in the tens column? 5 plus 0 equals 5. Okay. Here we have the same number, the 3 and the 3, so it's going to be a 0 in the ones column, right? Because 0 plus 3 equals 3. Now we're going to look at this and put that combined right now. So what plus 7 equals 10? Okay, so 10 minus 7 equals 3. Now we're getting a little tricky now, right? So this time we're going to flip. We can't just do 5 minus 8. Yeah, we can't really do that, right? Not yet. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go from 28 up to 35. So I'm going to take my 5 and I'm going to take my 8 and I'm going to play off a 30. Okay, because that's kind of where that bottoms out right there. So we have 5 is 5 above the 30. The 8 is 2 below 30. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay. So we have a number plus 65 equals 90. So a number plus 5 equals 0. Well, what plus 5 equals 0? It doesn't actually equal 0. It would equal 10. And that is a 5. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. So we kind of have another 1 on there. So we're not going to be able to take 9 minus 6 equals 3. It's not going to be 35 because of the extra 10. So it's going to be 25. Very good. Okay, here we go. Kind of the same thing as a little bit ago. So we're going to take 8 minus 7 equals 1. And 5 minus 4 equals 1. So a number plus 11 equals 58. 47 plus 11 is 58. All right. So here, I'm going to use the number 60 again for this. Okay. And we have 4 that's above 60. 59 is 1 below 60. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. 61 plus a number equals 85. So what plus, or 1 plus what equals 5? So 5 minus 1 equals 4. And 6 plus something equals 8, or 8 minus 6 equals 2. I'm thinking of this one right away. Instead of numbers, I'm thinking of big numbers. And I'm thinking of quarters. Okay, 25, 50, 75, $1. Or 25, 50, 75, 100. So 100 minus 25, take away a quarter is 75 cents. We can also think of it as the 5 in here. So 5 plus 5 equals 10, right? And then we need a number plus 2 to equal that. So we're going to have 7 plus 2 is 9 plus that one is 10. We're going to do this one kind of the same way as the other. So we'll take 5 minus 5 is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. 11 minus 0, or excuse me, 11 minus 3 is 8. Okay. Halfway done. Okay, here we are. We have 85 plus 20. 5 plus 0. All right, let's go this way. 85, and we're just going to add our 10. So 85 would be 95, 105. This time 38 plus 30. So 38, we have 48, 58, 68. Okay. Same here with the 6. So we have 67 plus 60. So 67, 77, 87, 97, 107, 117, 127. Or 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 0 is 7. Kind of whatever works best for you, right? Okay. 84 plus 30. 84, 94, 104, 114. 117 plus 20. 117, 127, 137. So 52 plus 50, so 52, 62, 72, 82, 92, 102. 88 plus 30, 88, 98, 108, 118. Again, 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay. 39 plus 20, 39, 49, 59. 76, 86, 96, 106, 116. 18 plus 80. Let's start at 80 this time, just for fun. Okay? So we're going to start at 80. We're going to add 10 to make 90, and then we're going to add 8 to make 98. Or we could have gone 18 and then gone 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98. All right, again, here we go. 60 plus 19. 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 9 is 79. Notice how I flipped that backwards on these two? Instead of starting with this one and counting up a bunch, I kind of wanted to start with this one because there's zeros anyways, right? Okay. Ooh, only 4 more. 74 plus 30. This time I'm going to start in the 74. 84, 94, 104. 90 plus 55. So 90, I have 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, plus 5, 145. You may think of it as 55 plus 100 equals 155, and then the 10 it took to get from 90 to 100, you take off. So we had to add 10 to 90 to get to 100 to make it a little easier to get to 155, and then we take that back off at the end to get 145. 65 plus 40, well, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105. And 66 plus 30, 76, 86, and 96. All right, boys and girls, great job doing that fall math box packet. You did really, really well. We'll see you next time.